maglalakad ako dito, guys. Ito po yung nung giyera, nakapaligid po yung wall. Tapos people protect inside. So I don't know what is this inside here. Pero para hindi naman siya prisohan. Here, another here. It could be the rooms for the shoulder or military. I have no idea. And this is the old barrel. What do you call this guy? Barrel? Ayan. Ito po yung Ba, ito maganda, ha? Here. Oh, they're showing how they made it. One by one. Ayan. So, ito, naman ito? So, this is how they made it. Ala. Luma na. Yan. Akala ko may museum, pero sabi nila, there is no museum. It's all about the canyon or whatever. Another room. It's a bit higher. Yan. So, I think we can just walk around here. And I think this is perfect to walk around. Nice. Ayan. Ayan po, lakad-lakad lang po tayo mga guys. Oh, ano ito? Oh, wow, look at this. I think this is artifacts in the old days. Ayan. So this is, ito yung mga bahay dito. Ayan po. Ayan yung style ng bahay nila. Here another artifacts. Things that they have been using before. Ayan, blocks. Wow, galing. So ayan. Ayan po yung bubong. Ayan, blocks. So ito yung blocks nila. Wow. Amazing. Ayun guys, yung parang para siyang ship. Pero lang yan siya, ha? Lighthouse. It looks amazing. So ayan. Lakad-lakad lang ako dito guys. Samahan nyo lang po ako. I don't know what is here, but I will check it out. Oh, it's closed. So nice. Buti na lang guys, hindi siya mainit masyado. Ayan, maglalakad po ako dito. Tingnan natin kung ano pa yung iba. Para makita natin. Ito yung lumang fort na tinatawag nila. Pero maganda guys, mini-maintain din nila kasi may mga tourist din na pumupunta dito. Ayan. Sino naman ito? Look at that. Look at that guy. What's the name? Tugu Francis. So this is the statue of Francis Light. The bronze. OJ 1938. Wow. So ito siya. Look at that. Is that gorgeous guy? So we have to continue walking. So ito po siya. The Starship 4. Fort Cornwallis. Yan. Ay, may pusa pa guys. Tingnan niyo po. May nakita pa akong pusa. Ala. Cute cute. Ming Ming. Oh, I think she needs some food. But I don't have something to carry. Ayan. So, pwede po ditong magdala ng sasakyan ng park. So, ano to? It looks like, I think this is the restaurant. Kasi pag gabi, maganda yata dito. So, pwede po ditong may mga nagtitinda ng ganyan, cukes. So, pag gabi, may tao na pumupunta. Ayan. Ganda naman guys. So, what is this heritage? Ayan, aakit ako dito guys. Hindi ko alam kung may toilet ba. Ayan. Akit lang. Wow. Dito na ako. May tent guys. Ayan. Ganda. So this is in the old days. Ayan. Yan po sila. In those days.